In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 10 and 11 shutdown issue easily in 2024. I trying to shut it down my computer but is not shut down. How to fix it? Let's get started. Method 1. Go to the search option and search control panel. Select power option. Now click choose what the power buttons do option. Click change settings that are currently unavailable. Now click on uncheck turn on the fast startup recommended option. Click save changes. Now you try to shut down, I hope it's working well. Method 2. Go to the search option type CMD and run as administrator. Input the command text key, and press enter. After doing that now you try to shut down, I hope it's working well. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.